Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make template in Notion. Open a fresh page, pick a layout, add headings, databases, and commonly used blocks, then configure properties and views, and finally save the layout as a reusable template from the page menu. I will guide you through naming, organizing, and exporting templates so you can reuse them across workspaces and share them with teammates. Let's get started together. Using databases makes templates dynamic and powerful, and I will walk you through the setup step by step. Start by creating a database and adding properties like date, tags, people, and status. Then design views such as table, board, calendar, and gallery for the ways you work. I will show how to apply filters, set default sorts, and link databases so entries populate automatically across pages and templates. Small habits make templates work for you, so I will share practical tips you can use immediately. Use template buttons for recurring content, prefilled checklists, and boilerplate text, and duplicate templates to iterate safely before sharing. I will explain permission basics and how to export or share templates across workspaces so teammates can adopt them quickly, and how to keep templates tidy with consistent naming and folder organization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.